Hello and welcome to this video. Let's start out with the unboxing. Before I go more in depth, I will show you the full mix. I recorded this with the IK Multimedia Tonex with my own profiles. So now let's listen to the same guitars that you just heard, but without the rest of the production, so no synthesizers, bass or drums. So I would like to start out by saying that it's a very good deal. I will put the price on the screen right now, but for this money I expected it to be a lot worse than what it is. So when it arrived from the UK, everything felt pretty nice. The strings height was a bit high, but otherwise it felt fine, no sharp frets or anything. But since I live in a very different climate than from the UK, so I live in sub-Arctic climate or whatever it's called here in northern Sweden, and that after a couple of days the fret ends were sharp. And let's see, my hands are a little bit from earlier play. Let's just drag them along and see how they will look. So a couple times, and now we see this. They are very sharp. Yeah, I would consider that basically unplayable. And that is nothing that I put against Andertons or the manufacturer, because I had to do the same thing on my Gibsons as well. So the only thing I need to do in order to be able to use this guitar for my style of music is swap out the pickups. They are just basically too low output and too noisy. I decided to order myself a pair of EMG pickups, so I ordered myself an EMG 81 and 85, and I have swapped them out in the guitar. I will show you the difference in output signal from the pickup. And I would also like to mention the tuners. The tuners are not bad, they are not great, they are fine. They do the job okay at best. It's slightly the tunes itself, but it holds the tuning for a couple of takes, and then you need to sort of tune the guitar again. And for the price I redeem that it's fine. Thank you for watching the video. And